Like this another day. I know, but listen, you guys, fashion goes. Oh my God. And we make our way back to the formal entry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's episode. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth and I typically do affordable home decor DIYs, and every now and then I also do room transformations. I do tend to stick on the affordable side, and with that being said, today attempting to DIY a hook rack, peg rack, but it's something like this, like you see right here. I wanted to add that to my kitchen wall right here, which if you already follow me and you watched the last episode on my kitchen, so I've thought about buying it because it was really affordable. I think it was $20, but I also have materials, you guys, in my garage that I can probably use. They're leftover materials from previous projects, which I can also use to build it, and I can build it myself, or I think I can build it myself. Do I know how? No, but I kind of have an idea and I want to try to build it myself, just because I wanted to have a small little ledge so that I can put art on it. I'm thinking about making it into 40 inches just because you see this thing right here? I don't know if it's like a cover for a previous outlet that was there. I don't know. I've seen those before, and I guess I can take it off. But that means I would have to do some patching, and I don't know if I'm up for that. Someone suggested that I just add like a little shelf to this, to the peg rack, and that way I can hide that outlet with a piece of art, and I thought that that was genius. It didn't occur to me, to be honest, so which is why I want to add like a little edge. I cut them all. They're not perfect. I am gonna admit I'm not a professional when it comes to measuring. Like, I can't. I tried to make it the easiest possible for me and cut them into 4 inches because it was a 36-inch rod. I thought if I cut it in 4 inches, I'll get the most. And you know, they're still long enough to, and once I put them in, like enough of it should stick out. So I mean, I'd rather work with the longest possible than the shortest, because then, you know, you don't want to have a rod that's too short. So the plan is, ooh, to have it like this. But that should be pretty, right? Ooh. Wow, I'm not feeling that well. Yesterday, I woke up feeling a little weird. Like, you know when you have that feeling that you're gonna get sick? And that's exactly what I'm feeling today. So I feel like I have a little bit of a stuffy nose. Not too bad, but I do have like a little bit of a pain here. I was debating on filming, but I really want to get this done. I want to make a video, so here we are. So what I'm gonna do first is glue them together, and then once they're glued, I will go ahead and drill a screw at the top. That way it holds in shape, just for extra structure or extra support. Another problem that you encounter whenever you're buying wood is that sometimes wood will be crooked, so you gotta check that. So these are not in the best shape, but you know, they will do. She's coming out really good. I think the glue is almost dry, but this is what it would look like, and it would go right here. I'm debating whether I want to work on it already. I'm scared. That's the problem. I'm scared to drill the holes, but I need to drill the holes. I think spaced out in 5 inches is good. I thought I was gonna paint it like this, but I found this paint in my craft drawer, and it's like a really pretty beige. It's called khaki. I'm not too sure yet. I mean, the worst thing that can happen is that I don't like it, and then, you know, I would just have to paint it back or paint it a different color. So I don't know, but oh my god, it looks so good. I think it's a go.
I don't have some trick on my sleeve I can show you, but I can guarantee you look at me and see that I'm the type of girl you're not really that used to. I'm only gonna give it to you honestly. I know this ride's taking some time, but I know I'll be okay. Even when I'm broken, feeling kinda hopeless, I've never been the one to run away. I could let this hold me, swallow and control me. It would be so easy just to break, but I'd rather do it the hard way. 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 I've been taking every cup of coffee black now, sugar coating everything, don't make it sweet. And all the time I've given up, I'm taking back now. I've been spending all my hours differently.
Well, that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, I appreciate you guys. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you did enjoy this episode, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I'm really, really grateful for you guys for being so patient with me, especially with these last 2 weeks. I got sick. Then my husband gave us a little scare this week. He actually wasn't feeling well for about a week. But we just thought it was just like a stomach ache, and then we ended up having to take him to urgent care. He apparently has pneumonia in his lungs, so we're trying to take it slow. And of course, I've been watching him, making sure he's okay, and he's slowly progressing. Actually, he's doing a lot better, thankfully. And yeah, that was a little bit of a scare. I appreciate you guys for being so patient with me, and of course, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.